So, your hard drive just crashed? You've lost your irreplaceable photos and memories, or lost all your valuable financial data and your data has been compromised? Just calm down. There's no need to panic. We are confident that we can recover your data. Our engineers are experts in restoring data from traditional hard drives, solid-state drives, read arrays, NAS boxes, SD and microSD cards, USB flash drives, Android and iPhones. We can even recover from your digital handycam internal hard drive, whether it's lost family photos, an extensive music collection, important documents, or your database. We can help. Data recovery from a range of media is all we do. We're confident that with our high success rate, expert engineers, and proprietary tools, we'll have you up and running with a smile back on your face in no time. Our simple 3-step process couldn't be easier. Step 1. Submit your failed media to us for a professional evaluation and a firm quote. Even if the complexity of your case changes, rest assured, your quote never will. Step 2. Our expert engineers begin restoring your data with the latest tools. Step 3. Your dedicated case manager will send you a detailed file list of your recovered data for review. We then transfer your data to a device of your choice. We can provide you with a data drive or upload it to your own preferred cloud to save time. In a rush? No problem. We can often return your lost media in as little as 24 hours. Getting back up and running is easy when you choose Recovery Squad Data Retrieval Group, because we are experts in this field. Contact us now for a professional assessment and evaluation. We're here to help.